Before applying the product, familiarize yourself with the installation instructions. Before you start the installation, prepare the skin case, your charger, and the wipes. Clean the phone with the wet wipe and the dry cloth provided. Take special care when cleaning the corners. Put your phone lead through the opening in the skin case and insert it to the charging port of your phone. Remove the backing tape called Step 1. Position the skin case on the back of the phone. If skin case aligns correctly with the phone, press the bottom part of it to the phone. Remove the protective backing using sticker Step 2. Attach the film to the phone and smooth it down. Remove the lead from the charging port. Peel off the backing and apply the top part of the skin case. Take extra care when smoothing the edges. Turn the phone round and apply the bottom of the skin case. Apply the rest of the skin case to your phone. Follow the instructions on the video. If the corners lift, use a hairdryer to smooth them. Once the installation is complete, remove the piece of film around the charging port. You've positioned the film incorrectly? Fix it. You haven't aligned corners correctly? Fix it. Don't touch the corners when putting the phone away.